As indicated by the most recent long-haul gauge, Algorand cost will hit $0.2 toward the finish of 2027 and afterwards $0.3 toward the finish of 2032. Algorand value forecast 2023 to 2024 Algorand cost began in 2023 at $0.1714. Today, Algorand exchanged at $0.1353, so the cost diminished by 21% from the very start of the year. The estimated Algorand cost toward the finish of 2023 is 17 cents and the year-to-year change 1%. The ascent from today to year-end? Plus 26%. In the main portion of 2024, the Algorand cost will drop to 16 cents. In the last part, the cost would add 1 cent and close the year at 17 cents, which is plus 26% to the ongoing cost. The figure for later, close to days and months. Monday, November 20, 14 cents. Tuesday, November 21, 14 cents. Wednesday, November 22, 14 cents. Thursday, November 23, 14 cents. Friday, November 24, 14 cents. Saturday, November 25, 14 cents. Sunday, November 26, 14 cents. Monday, November 27, 14 cents. December 15, 16 cents. January 15, 17 cents. February 15, 17 cents. March 15, 17 cents. April 15, 16 cents. May 15, 16 cents. Algorand expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Algorand cost would move from 17 cents to 26 cents, which is up 53%. Algorand will begin 2025 at 17 cents, then take off to 18 cents inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at 17 cents. That implies plus 26% from today. Algorand expectation 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Algorand cost would ascend from 26 cents to 33 cents, which is plus 27%. Algorand will begin 2030 at 26 cents and finish 2030 at 26 cents. It is about plus 92% from today. Algorand value forecast 2023 to 2024 Algorand cost began in 2023 at $0.1714. Today, Algorand exchanged at $0.1090, so the cost diminished by 36% from the very outset of the year. The anticipated Algorand cost toward the finish of 2023 is 12 cents and the year-to-year change 30%. The ascent from today to year-end? Plus 10%. In the principal half of 2024, the Algorand cost will drop to 11 cents. In the last part, the cost would add 1 cent and close the year at 12 cents, which is plus 10% to the ongoing cost. Algorand forecast 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Algorand cost would move from 12 cents to 18 cents, which is up half. Algorand will begin 2025 at 12 cents, then, at that point, take off to 13 cents inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at 12 cents. That implies plus 10% from today. Algorand expectation 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Algorand cost would ascend from 18 cents to 25 cents, which is plus 39%. Algorand will begin 2030 at 18 cents and finish 2030 at 18 cents. It is about plus 65% from today. 10-15-2023 Algorand value expectation 2023 to 2024 Algorand cost began in 2023 at $0.1714. Today, Algorand exchanged at $0.0952, so the cost diminished by 44% from the very outset of the year. The gauge Algorand cost toward the finish of 2023 is $0.1078 and the year-to-year change 37%. The ascent from today to year-end? Plus 13%. In the principal half of 2024, the Algorand cost will move to $0.1141. In the final part, the cost would add $0.0092 and close the year at $0.1233, which is plus 30% to the ongoing cost. Algorand forecast 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Algorand cost would move from $0.1233 to $0.2319, which is up 88%. Algorand will begin 2025 at $0.1233, then, at that point, take off to $0.1313 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $0.1549. That implies plus 63% from today. Algorand expectation 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Algorand cost would ascend from $0.2319 to $0.3429, which is plus 48%. Algorand will begin 2030 at $0.2319, then, at that point, take off to $0.2468 inside the principal half of the year and finish 2030 at $0.2616. It is about plus 175% from today. 10/1/2023 Algorand value expectation 2023 to 2024 Algorand cost began in 2023 at $0.1714. Today, Algorand exchanged at $0.1042, so the cost diminished by 39% from the outset of the year. The determined Algorand cost toward the finish of 2023 is 11 cents and the year-to-year change 36%. The ascent from today to year-end? Plus 6%. In the primary portion of 2024, the Algorand cost will move to 12 cents. In the final part, the cost would add 1 cent and close the year at 13 cents, which is plus 25% to the ongoing cost. Algorand forecast 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Algorand cost would move from 13 cents to 25 cents, which is up 92%. Algorand will begin 2025 at 13 cents, then, at that point, take off to 14 cents inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at 17 cents. That implies plus 63% from today. Algorand expectation 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Algorand cost would ascend from 25 cents to 37 cents, which is plus 48%. Algorand will begin 2030 at 25 cents, then, at that point, take off to 27 cents inside the principal half of the year and finish 2030 at 29 cents. It is about plus 178% from today. 9/15/2023 Algorand value forecast 2023 to 2024 Algorand cost began in 2023 at $0.1714. Today, Algorand exchanged at $0.0947, so the cost diminished by 45% from the very outset of the year. The determined Algorand cost toward the finish of 2023 is $0.1294 and the year-to-year change 25%. The ascent from today to year-end? Plus 37%. In the main portion of 2024, the Algorand cost will move to $0.1377. In the last part, the cost would add $0.0119 and close the year at $0.1496, which is plus 58% to the ongoing cost. Algorand forecast 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Algorand cost would move from $0.1496 to $0.2184, which is up 46%. Algorand will begin 2025 at $0.1496, then dip to $0.1405 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $0.1378.